Hi everyone, today I am taking you to a place which looks like it belongs in Europe. But actually, in reality, we are just 40 minutes from south of Quito, Ecuador. Welcome to El Castillo de Amaguaña, the Amaguañan castle. It's a little bit scary. Shh. This is El Castillo de Amaguaña. It's a 100-year-old architectural landmark which was later turned into a private country club. Welcome to La Primera Etapa, the first phase. Here we are in the first phase of the 3 phases that the castle has to offer. The second and third phases are joined together, and La Primera Etapa, the first one, is separate. Here we have a friend. What's your name?
My name is Tin Man.
And do you like the castle, or the Amaguañan castle?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Back in 1972, Jose Bubano bought this property along with 10 visionary businessmen. Their main objective was preservation. They designed a master plan divided into 3 etapas, 3 main phases. Phase 1, more aimed at the family-oriented style of a country club, and phases 2 and 3 designed for sports and recreational facilities. Shortly after opening, this Hidden Valley gem joined the CIC-LUC, the International Confederation of Country Clubs. That instantly connected this club to many international clubs in Mexico, Colombia, and more. It's no wonder that they wanted to protect this beautiful medieval-style fortress. Here I am in front of all of the nice swimming pools that El Castillo tiene para ofrecer la gente. Here they offer a lot of different swimming pools for all different kids like me. There's a little baby pool here. Then this one here is with los toboganes, with the water slides. And then over there we have another pool. And here we have the entrances to the big slides for the big kids like me. Here we have a little baby/kid swimming pool. It's pretty new. I think it was only renovated last summer, so it's pretty new and lots of kids enjoy it, although today it's pretty cloudy, so for that reason I don't think there's anyone in there. Or some mates, remember when you got lost? I'm just kidding, it's small, so it's good for any sort of kid or big kid. The swings, where once I sat on it and it almost broke. And here we have las cabañas, lots of cabins where people usually cook food, they bring their own food, they have a picnic, maybe sometimes in the rain, like we like to do. And there's lots of nice facilities for them to do so, and it's really close to the swimming pool so they can watch their kids easily. Guys, I'm a little bit breathless. You would not believe how much there is here and how much there is to record. But hey, I'm here at the so-called piscina abandonada. The abandoned pool, which always seems to fill up with grass and weird things. No one ever goes in there, because no one's ever come out alive. No, I'm just kidding. No one's ever gone in there. Y mira la vista. Look at the view. Another amazing facility that La Primera Etapa has to offer is that it has its own ice skating rink indoors. Let's go check it out. As you can see here, they're currently teaching a little class to some kids, and I think it's such a nice idea. I've been told that this is the first ice skating rink there ever was in Ecuador. I'm now in the second and third phase of this huge establishment. Let's go take a look. This is the beautiful view all the way from the top of La Tercera Etapa, the third phase. This is a beautiful little water fountain that I never realized before existed. Over here we have a lot of canchas, places to play football, mini football. There's also a court over there, I believe, for tennis. Another swimming pool. And this is where all the big football events happen. Usualmente juegan aquí fútbol 11. They usually play 11 people's football. I think that's how I would translate that for regular players. Usually they build teams throughout the year and they all compete with each other within the club, and I think that's pretty awesome. They also have real football stands like it's a real game. The grass looks so satisfying. Qué hermosa cancha. I'm so glad that some blue sky and sun has come out for this video. I genuinely thought it would be raining the whole time, so yay! Also in the third phase, there are so many places to eat your lunch with your family. You've got loads of benches, loads of barbecue stands as well. If you're looking to have a barbecue, and usually these are full, especially on a Sunday. I'm recording this today on a Saturday, so there aren't as many people here, but honestly, these are usually completely full around this time of day. So that's mainly what's here in the third phase. Now let's go and check out the second. Over this little bridge, we connect directly into La Segunda Etapa, the second phase. And as you can see here, loads of people have events here. There's usually lots of loud music playing, people playing football in the middle. It's a nice open space. And again, loads of like mini little shelter houses with barbecue stands and the possibility to have a barbecue, bring your own food, have a picnic. We did this the other weekend and it rained unfortunately, but today would be the perfect day to do that. And here's a little bit of a look at the open view with all of these cabañas, all of these little cabins around it, almost protecting it. It's kind of cute. Okay, I'm now going to make my way to show you the paddle and tennis courts that they have to offer here. Honestly, it's amazing the facilities they have. I'm sweating, perspiring so much because it's really hot here and you would not believe the amount of walking I am doing. Over here we have the paddle and tennis courts. They're usually so popular. I'm surprised that they aren't fully booked today, but lots of people love to come and play here. Okay guys, I'm now walking towards the heart of La Segunda Etapa. Here there is bailoterapia, so there's like dance classes to keep the body moving. Also got like a lovely little river with some boats that sometimes work. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. They need a bit of maintenance. And also some more mini football pitches, and I believe some volleyball and more tennis. The boats are working today, and as you can see, it's such a beautiful little pond, I guess. It's kind of small, little lazy river to go around with a little boat. You push with your legs. It's really nice. This is a perspective from the other side. Quite small, but very compact, and such a lovely activity, I think, for families. It's so peaceful here today. Honestly, there are so many more people here usually. I'm glad I picked today to record. I'm still quite camera shy. I find it really difficult to record in public, so for me to make these vlogs, it's a bit of a challenge, but I think it's good to challenge myself to go out of my comfort zone, especially since I'm always telling my students to go out of their comfort zone, so it's my turn. And here we have tennis courts. There are loads of them all the way up to over there, so there are loads of tennis courts you can hire in this little cabin here. But yeah, it's a really nice little area. Okay, I'm now about to enter the noisiest part of this vlog, which is going to be the bailoterapia, and there's also another little swimming pool. And okay, I've got this. I'm gonna try and record. Okay, it's fine. They don't know me. These are the volleyball courts, also connected in the Segunda Etapa. They're usually full, but there's not many people today. I just bumped into the Presidente de Castillo, and I felt a little bit uncomfortable recording, but I did it for you guys. Also here, I totally forgot, there's an indoor Olympic swimming pool and some exercise machines. Check this out. And it's a huge swimming pool. And I can walk all the way through here and go straight outside to where the football pitches are. And here we have the basketball courts where a lot of people like to play here. And I think I've shown now all of the main parts of the second and third etapa. Now, back to la primera. We have now crossed all 3 etapas, phases. Let me know which one was your favorite. Let me know if you would like to see more content like this. I love making vlogs for you guys, and I hope that you enjoyed it too. See you in the next video. Bye.